Hi and welcome back again. And today our chapter is the living world. The living world. For the sake of convenience, the entire chapter divided into three parts. That is diversity in living world, taxonomy category and taxonomic aids. So before moving forward, I would like to discuss about living world. Uh, some are defining property of living organism and non-defining property. Defining property is that metabolism, cellular organization, consciousness is known as defining property, and not defining property is growth and reproduction, and that's a defining property and non-defining property. And the first part of a living world is that diversity in living world. So there is a 1.7 to 1.8 million species, that is also known as biodiversity. Diversity in living organism, first we name that is known as nomenclature. uh, some name that all over the world. नोमेनक्लेचर मतलब ऐसा नाम जो सारे वर्ल्ड में चले. देन आइडेंटिफिकेशन, यानी कि उसको डिस्क्राइब किया जाए करेक्टली. एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन में दो मेन, बोटेनिकल नोमेनक्लेचर के लिए और जूलॉजिकल नोमेनक्लेचर के लिए जो है ICBN एंड ICZN. ICBN का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर बोटेनिकल नोमेनक्लेचर, एंड ICZN का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंटरनेशनल कोड फॉर जूलॉजिकल नोमेनक्लेचर. एंड द अनदर पार्ट ऑफ अ डाइवर्सिटी इन लिविंग वर्ल्ड, दैट इज बाइनोमिक nomenclature. That is given by Carlos Linnaeus. For example, Mongifera indica. Mongifera indicate genus and indica indicate species. And another part is classification, grouped into convenient category, that is known as classification. Taxonomic, and its basic unit is taxa, and the sequence is characterization, identification, classification and nomenclature. And another part of a diversity in living organism is systematics. It is denote relationship between and arrangement of organism, and the only human beings that is self conscious only. And the another part of a living organism is that taxonomic category. Taxonomic category, hierarchy of a step in which each step represent a rank or category. कॉमनली उसको टेक्सॉन बोला जाता है, और टेक्सोनॉमिक अरेंजमेंट को टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी बोलते हैं. ऑल द कैटेगरी टुगेदर called as taxonomic hierarchy. टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी का फर्दर पार्ट है किंगडम, फाइलम, प्लांट में हो तो डिवीज़न, क्लास, ऑर्डर, फैमिली एंड जीनस. ट्रिक इज टू रिमेंबर इट, कीप पोट क्लीन और फैमिली गेट स्टिक. किंगडम डिनोट हाईएस्ट कैटेगरी, फाइलम consist the next higher category based on common feature. Class denote category include related order, example mammal. Order based on the aggregated of character exhibit few similar character. Family, group of related genera, less similarity. Genus, group related to species, and species, group of individual and found similar characters. That's all for taxonomic category. The important things is sequence, that is phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. And the another part of a living world, that is taxonomic add. Taxonomic add means help, uh, required correct classification and identification of organism. And taxonomic adds further a part is that herbarium, it is a storehouse of collected plant and dry pressed and preserved on a sheet. Quick referral of taxonomic study, level, date, place, English, local and botanical name, family and collection name. And the further part is botanical garden, collection of living plant, that is used for reference. Kew is a botanical garden in England. Indian Botanical Garden in Howrah, India. International Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, India. And the another part of taxonomical add is museum, collection of preserved plant and animals for study reference. Insect preserved in an insect box and killing and pinning. Animal stuff and preserved, collection of a skeleton of animals. And next part is zoological park, wild animal kept in human care and food habitat, for the study of food and habitat. Zoo, similar to their natural habitat. And the another part is that key have a two-way statement, identification of plant, animals and similarity or dissimilarity character. It has a contrasting pair, that is called couplet, analytic in nature. And the another part of a taxonomical add is flora, manual and monograph. Flora, actual account of habitat for a particular area. Manual, information for identification of name species found in an area. And monography, information on any one taxon. That's three part of living world, and it is a very short chapter, and it is only one diagram, that is herbarium showing a store species. This is a herbarium stored species, and this chapter is very small. So that's all for today. Thank you.